Alright, what's up guys? My name is Zach and today I'm going to be doing something a little different. Actually, I'm going to be going through the My Mazda app for iPhone. This is also available for Android. So this is for newer Mazdas. If you own, I believe, a 2017 or up, you can use the My Mazda app with your vehicle. So we'll click on it here. This is what it looks like. It's just a gray Mazda logo. Open it up. And of course you'll have to log in, so let me do that. Alright, and now we are in the app. As you'll see, our car comes up immediately, our 2018 CX-5 Touring all-wheel drive. If you have other Mazdas, they will come up here too, and you can select through our Mazdas, but we only have one Mazda that is compatible with the app. So a couple things here. The first thing you're going to want to look at and you're going to want to get familiar with is down in the bottom right-hand corner, there's the support tab. So here you can contact Mazda, but more importantly, you can get roadside assistance. So you can call the roadside assistance support through here, or you can just request roadside assistance just through a message. This is really, really important and really, really cool. Actually, the reason I'm making this video is that my parents actually had to use this recently, and I figured this is something that everyone with a new Mazda should know about and new Mazda should take advantage of. So roadside assistance is right here. We can go back, contact Mazda. This is going to, you can chat, phone, email, and then roadside assistance again. So you can call your dealer or whatnot. So very important for you guys to know about that feature. So we come back here, and up in the right hand corner, going along with finding your dealer, there is a find a dealer option. Now I'm going to cut to a screenshot of it just because I don't want to give away quite where I live, but you go here, it basically looks like Google Maps, and it'll show you where your nearest dealer is. This isn't only important if you just bought the car or you know need to take it into service, but if you're on vacation and you need to get a oil change or something like that, you can locate the closest dealer through that. We're going back down to the bottom here, we have the service tab. Now this shows the current mileage of your vehicle, and you get two different conditions here. So condition 1, you can read it if you really want to read it. You can pause the video here. Or you have condition 2, which is like driving off-road. If you drive really extreme conditions, you're going to want to go to condition 2. And it says here, Canada and Puerto Rico residents follow condition 2. So we'll go back to condition 1 here, because this is what we mostly do. It's just in-town driving mostly. But you get your current mileage here, and then you can check your schedule. So we are supposed to get maintenance done at 7,500 miles, or we can schedule service down here, which is cool. Now coming back to home button right here down at the bottom left, we have no notifications, so if a service is coming up or something, it will pop up at the bottom left. But we can go to guides, and this is another really cool thing is you can download the owner's manual through PDF or vehicle how-to. So this is actually a whole section on how to run your Mazda. So anything you want to know, let's go back here. Let's say, all right, so driving, let's go radar cruise control. Let's see how that works. So we can click on this and it'll actually start playing a video. As you can see there, it's how radar cruise control works. Come back here, hill launch assist. Get another video on that. These are all videos on how to do things. It's actually an old CX-5, which is really cool. Also, if you're just looking at getting into a Mazda, if you don't own a Mazda currently, you can still download this app and you can still access this stuff. Last but not least, you have the 3 panels in the upper right-hand corner. This will just take you to your profile, My Mazda, so we can go to My Vehicle. We can look at some specs of it, engine, trim, interior, all these different options. You have roadside assistance, and then you have support again, and that's all run through those top 3 bars in the upper right hand corner. Well, I hope this video was informative. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys have a newer Mazda, you definitely need to check this out. Aside from my soul.